It is the most important constituent of food. It is essential for life. Human body contains about 70% of water by weight. For example, a child who weighs 35 kilograms has about 25 kilograms of water in his body. Water is needed by our body to perform many vital functions. Some of them are: it serves as the body's transportation system. It is a medium through which other nutrients and substances are distributed to various cells of the body. Water regulates the temperature of our body by sweating. Evaporation of sweat from the skin cools down our body during hot summers. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from the food we get. Water acts as an important medium where most chemical reactions occurring in the body take place. Our body needs about 2 to 3 liters of water every day. We also get that water from many of the food items we eat. For example, fruits, vegetables, meat and fish provide some quantity of water to our body. However, most of the water needed by our body comes from plain drinking water and beverages like tea, coffee, milk, fruit juice and cold drinks. Excessive loss of water from the tissues of the body is called dehydration. It occurs when water intake is less, but water lost from the body is much more. Diarrhea, vomiting and excessive bleeding causes dehydration. During hot summer days or after some physical exercise, we sweat profusely. This too can lead to dehydration. To make up for this loss, one should drink enough water. Balanced diet. The food that we eat during the whole day is called diet. A diet consists of many food items made from cereals like wheat and rice, pulses, fruits, vegetables, eggs, milk, meat, fish, and so on. The dishes that contains adequate amount of all the essential nutrients, roughage and water, sufficient for the normal growth and development of the body, is called a balanced diet. All of us should eat a balanced diet for our proper growth and development and to remain healthy. A typical balanced diet should contain carbohydrates 60%, fats 15%, proteins 25%. The composition of a balanced diet depends on sex and age of the person, occupation, type of work done, special needs during pregnancy. For example, a man doing hard physical work like a laborer, an athlete, a rickshaw puller needs more carbohydrates to obtain more energy required for doing hard physical work. A growing child needs more proteins than a grown-up man. A child needs more proteins to develop body tissues needed for growth. A pregnant woman needs more proteins in her diet for building the body of the developing baby. A nursing mother who breastfeeds her baby needs more proteins, calcium, and vitamins to produce milk for her body. Loss of nutrients during cooking. Cooking improves the taste of food materials and makes them digestible. However, it results in the loss of certain nutrients. If cooking is done in excess of water and the water is thrown away after cooking, many water-soluble vitamins and minerals are lost. If cooking is done at a high temperature, many proteins and vitamins are destroyed. Mostly, thick peels are removed from vegetables and fruits. This results in loss of food materials and its nutrition. Washing of peeled and cut vegetables and some fruits causes a loss of water-soluble vitamins. Repeated washing of dals and rice causes loss of water-soluble vitamins and minerals. Deficiency diseases. We need to eat a balanced diet for our proper growth and development. If any of the nutrients is less than the required amount in the diet, it causes a disease. A disease that is caused due to the lack of carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins in our diet is called deficiency disease. Deficiency diseases are of the following three types: protein deficiency diseases, vitamin deficiency diseases, mineral deficiency diseases. Protein deficiency diseases. Kwashiorkor is caused by severe protein deficiency in diet. The disease is common among children of 1 to 5 years of age. Symptoms. It has the following symptoms: stunted growth, skin becomes dry and scaly, hair becomes reddish, the body swells up due to retention of water, edema, belly protrudes, limbs become thin and bony. Marasmus. It occurs due to severe deficiency of proteins, carbohydrates and fats in the diet of children. The disease generally affects infants under 1 year of age. Symptoms. It has the following symptoms: body becomes very lean and thin and so weak that the child may not even be able to move. Skin becomes dry, thin and wrinkled and shows loose folds as the layers of fat below the skin disappear. Ribs become very prominent. Sunken eyes, unable to digest and absorb food and may suffer from diarrhea. Vitamin deficiency diseases. Diseases caused by the deficiency of certain vitamins are listed in the following table. Some vitamins, deficiency diseases and symptoms. Mineral deficiency disease. Excessive intake of food. Just as deficiency of nutrients in our diet leads to diseases like marasmus, kwashiorkor and anemia, the overeating of rich foods also leads to an overweight condition called obesity. An obese person suffers from heart-related problems. He remains inactive and lazy. Many people, especially children, eat a lot of junk food such as burgers, chips, and soft drinks. All these food items contain large amounts of fats and sugars. Due to lack of physical activity, fats get accumulated in the body and cause obesity. So, avoid eating junk food and exercise regularly to remain fit and healthy.